Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today we will learn how to get into Chaturanga, and that we use a lot during vinyasas, during our power yoga practice. And Chaturanga means in English four-limbed staff pose or low plank. So let's learn the steps of Chaturanga. So to practice Chaturanga or low plank, you just need two blocks, and I have soft blocks, so they are not a cork material, and I'm using a yoga mat. So you can practice anywhere you are at this point. This will help you to strengthen your arms, your shoulders, and your posture, like what alignment you need for Chaturanga, that we will learn. So two blocks should be placed like this in second level or middle level. It has shoulder width distance apart, and we hold the blocks and keep some space between your two blocks. We try to draw our belly in, scoop your tailbone, as you can check my tailbone, and we draw our elbows in. We are hugging our arms and we try to go slowly. We go bringing our face in between our blocks and coming back. So we take like 5 push-ups, going down and inhale, coming back. Exhale, go down, inhale, coming back. 2 more. Keep going, guys. Very good. Do not arch your back. Just check my spine. It's always flat and scooping our tailbone. So we try to remember the back is flat and you're not trying to pop this your buttock out. So we do not arch our back. We try to draw our belly in and your pelvis is nicely tilted. And one more, and we stay down. We stay for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly coming back. Your arms will be already feeling that strength, and it's like little burning sensation on your bicep. So what generally people do mistake is this: they open their elbows and then going down. So this is the wrong way to practice. So make sure your elbows are hugging in and then you go down and up. So your elbows are always tucking in close to our rib cage. Okay, so this is the first step we practice. And the second step is we plant our palms down on the mat. As you can check my fingers, my mid finger is right behind the blocks, and we press our fingertips on the ground. We keep some distance between our hands and our legs, as you can check. So that judgment you will see once you practice. Elbows in, and we draw our arm or your shoulder resting on that blocks, and then you slowly come back. So we take same 5 push-ups, but this time your shoulders are resting or tapping on the blocks, okay? And your palms are on the floor. Let's do 5. Again, check to it your elbows are in and hugging in. You're not opening your elbows out. 2 more. Very good, everyone. And one last time, and you rest your shoulders on that blocks, and we stay for 5. Draw your belly in. 4, 3, 2, and we come back. Good job, everyone. So we will understand how do we place the blocks for Chaturanga. So this is the highest level, vertically placed, and this is the second level, horizontally placed, and this is the flat blocks. So we will be placing it second level, middle level, on top of our mat. We need to restore. We reset our shoulder. We reset our hands. So maybe you can just cross your arms, turn your face on the other side, and just breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch your side. Change your hand. Make that thread the needle hand. Turn your face on your left and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just shake it out. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, move your palm fingers. Rotate your wrist. 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. So I'll also show you from the front, like especially your face. Your face should not be touching on the ground. It is always floating. It is always hovered. So we keep our elbows again in, your shoulders rested, your face, as you can check, my face is up, and then I'm trying to lift my knees and I'm pushing my butt down and not up. I try to push my butt down and holding for again 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest your knees. Maybe from here you can take cobra and downward dog. After practicing those 2 steps of Chaturanga, now we will take it in the entire sequence, how and what you can use Chaturanga in. So we learned planting your palms, keeping your elbows in, perpendicular hand. If you can check, my elbows are L shape, and then drawing your shoulders on top, lifting your knees, and from this Chaturanga we will rest our thighs, and slowly you can take cobra, baby cobra, or full back bending, and from full back bending tucking your toes, coming to downward dog. So again, you repeat this 4 steps of vinyasa, coming to your high plank. Go on your chaturanga with your elbows bent in 90 arms. Rest your thighs, upward dog, and then exhale, downward facing. And then you can rest your knees, relax in child's pose. If you like this, keep on going, keep on practicing more vinyasas, and thank you for watching and practicing with me. Namaste.